This is the quick guide of getting started with OpenTurnKey. In this episode, we will show you how to start it with OpenTurnKey when you first get it, and install the app, Crypto Economy, on an Android phone for using with OpenTurnKey. Before we start it, here are a few things you should know. To use OpenTurnKey, you will need an Android phone with NFC function. Although Apple's iPhone series also come with NFC function since iPhone 7, but Apple did not open the full NFC features for developers until September 2019. We are now developing the app for iPhone and expecting it to be released in the next 6 months. To check if your Android phone is capable to work with OpenTurnKey, just open your Google Play Store app. Search for the keyword OpenTurnKey, and you will see the app Crypto Economy. If the app cannot be installed on your phone, it means your phone is not supported. We have tested OpenTurnKey with many Android phones by different manufacturers, such as Samsung, Sony, HTC, Google, Huawei, Xiaomi, etc. But we could not test it on each and every Android phones in the market, so if you found your phone does not work with OpenTurnKey, please inform us and we will update our compatible list. Until the moment we are making this video, we have found that Google Pixel 3 series does not work with OpenTurnKey through its NFC reader. But other Pixel series works fine, and we have accepted Pixel 3 series from our app installation list. Okay, now get your OpenTurnKey and Android phone ready, let's start it. A brand new OpenTurnKey comes with a sticker on the front side which provides a QR code and website URL, openturnkey.com/guide. Take your Android phone and open your QR code scanner app. Scan the QR code and open the website. You can find the user guide for OpenTurnKey in the website, and if you have not installed the app, click the label, get it on Google Play. The app, Crypto Economy, should be automatically opened in the Google Play. If you cannot access to the Google Play Store directly, you can also download the app on the website. The app is saved in a zip format. You must unzip it before installation. Open the app after installation completed. You will need to grant the access privilege to camera for the app when you first time run it. The app has 4 pages of screens. The pay page, where you can make payment and set payment-related configurations, such as local currency and fee, etc. The OpenTurnKey page. This is where you can manage your OpenTurnKey. We will explain those features in detail in other videos. The History page keeps your OpenTurnKey transactions records. Lastly, the Addresses page is an address book for user to keep common used Bitcoin addresses. Now, let's put the app and phone aside and take the OpenTurnKey. Peel off the sticker and touch the fingerprint sensor on the front side of the OpenTurnKey. You will see OpenTurnKey powered on with green light, which means this OpenTurnKey has not yet been locked with a fingerprint. If an OpenTurnKey is locked with a fingerprint, it will be powered on with a red light. If you saw the power on light blinking, it is a low battery notice. You should charge OpenTurnKey as soon as possible. After the power on light went off, a blue light will be blinking slowly, to indicate it is in standby for operations. If there is no operation taken for 15 seconds, the OpenTurnKey will go into sleep mode automatically. Now, let's check out the OpenTurnKey with the NFC reader and crypto economy app on the phone. When OpenTurnKey is powered on, face the bottom side of OpenTurnKey to the NFC reader of the phone. The phone will be reading the public key and general information from OpenTurnKey and showing them in the OpenTurnKey page. You can see the lock state and battery power level on the top left corner, the Bitcoin address and QR code in the center, and the current balance on the top of the screen. Tap the information icon on the bottom right corner. You can see the hardware mint information for OpenTurnKey. Congratulations, you have completed the first step. Our video is about to end here. For further guide of using OpenTurnKey in the app, we have made other videos. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out our other video guides.